Goku versus Anos Voldagold. Who wins?
Okay, actually someone tagged me on this video and I said, okay, I just get to respond to this, so here we go.
Most people know about Anos as the undefeated Demon King.
Yes, he is.
No one has ever been able to defeat him in his verse or even kill him. By the start of episode 1, he's reincarnated as a lowly demon because he killed himself 2,000 years ago. He is stronger than the gods in his verse, and he is simply the world order.
Okay, I just love the fact that you actually just say simply the world order and you just don't explain this. Like, it's like, okay, it's like everybody knows what order in Misfit is. And no, like, only if you read the light novel, you know exactly what order is. And I already told this, and it's proved from the novel before. The anime, they actually briefly explain this because, you know, if there are deep explanation in the anime, so it's really got confusion. So they don't explain this in the anime. But order, in short, it's the laws, concept, script, and the plot of the world. By the way, if you want proof from everything I said here, I just have a link to the skill, just to prove everything. Basically, gods are order, they are immortal, and every time that God says something, it became the script, the laws. It doesn't really matter what word I choose to use because, again, it's everything, all there is. Okay? Now, everything that God basically said become the word order. Okay? If God now tell you go away, you just go away. It becomes the script and the plot of the concept and become the order of the words. Even proving the anime if season 2 with Nosgalia and everything all this. And basically it's impossible to resist to order. And it's more than that, but this is the short explanation.
Cut off his head, crush his heart, crush his source, or cut him in half, he simply won't die. He is literally the plot armor of the verse. Compared to Goku, he obviously doesn't have the raw power Goku has.
You just say that Anos doesn't have strength like Goku? Like, excuse me, but Anos created Vez Donoa. Which you're talking about this later. Okay, about physical strength, he can destroy your source. If you don't know, source is basically your concept. Now, if you don't know, you have 3 types of erase in total fiction. We have conceptual erase, which is the lowest one, which basically characters can erase you from your very existence, like Zeno. Above that we have, it also hacks, but above that we have erase from the plot, which basically it's characters that can change the plot and the narrative and the story and can rewrite this, also gods in Misfit. Basically that, and above that it's basically characters that can destroy and erase every concept that exists, which is everything. Basically anyone in Misfitverse has concept. Newman has concept because he has source. Now usually it's impossible to destroy source only with specific magic, but Anos with physical strength against Avos Delheve in season 2 just destroy the source in physical strength, which is already above everything in Dragon Ball because nobody in Dragon Ball can erase or do something against concept because concept doesn't exist in Dragon Ball. No one can erase or do something against concept because it doesn't really exist in the cosmology at all. And don't use things that are non-canon in Dragon Ball, please. The only canon we have in Dragon Ball is only the manga and the 4 movies in Super that Akira Toriyama created. That's all.
However, it would be hard for Goku to kill him. That said, Goku doesn't kill most of his opponents.
No, Goku cannot kill Anos. It's more erase Anos, but no, he cannot because Anos cannot die and cannot be erased only if he wants. Even after this, he just come back from the nothingness and overcame his own destruction. And also Anos have Graham nothingness, which basically it's non-existent physiology, non-existent source, void manipulation. He basically can use Graham nothingness, which basically even if you try to touch him, like so just going to your concept going to erase if you don't somehow do something against this, which Goku and no one in Dragon Ball can do something against this. And yeah, the moment he tried to punch or do something against Anos, he cannot do anything. So, and also Goku cannot kill his opponent because he cannot do. Against Cell, he cannot. Kid Buu, not. Always need the power of everybody. Dodo cannot do this on his own because he died.
If Anos was to fight Goku, he would lose. This is because Goku is multiversal and above.
Okay, why are you lying just now? Because nobody in Dragon Ball is multiversal. Only the one is low multiversal, it's Zeno. This is one. Two, Goku is on a galaxy level. He's never universal level. Please, again, if you want to talk to me about this, I have my Discord. You can just send this to me and we just talk. I don't really explain this here, but it's really big feat, the strongest feat he have, it's galaxy level versus Maul. That's it. And he cannot also survive planet explosion and so on. So he's not multiversal, he's not even universe level. He's only galaxy level.
It is true that time or death can't stop Anos. My argument is simply that Anos doesn't have equivalent destructive abilities like Goku. It is also possible for Goku to kill him if he erases him source and all. However, that's not stopping Anos from jumping to another dimension to protect himself. At the end of the day, this fight would go on forever because Goku would destroy Anos, but Anos would never really get destroyed.
You just prove me that you don't even watch the anime of the Misfit of Demon King Academy for Saturday, because Anos created Vez Donoa, the sword of destruction which can destroy anything, no matter how eternal, tough or infinite is, and all logic and reason become meaningless against the sword and more. The sword even can destroy the reason why nothingness cannot be destroyed versus Graham. The reason why nothingness cannot be destroyed because it's nothing. Now it's impossible to destroy nothing because it's nothing there, it's nothing here, right? So I can destroy this, and the soul just destroy the reason why I cannot destroy this and destroy the nothingness. And the soul, it just stick for Anos and doesn't really, and all what the soul can do, Anos can do, and better and more. And the soul don't really affect on him just because he is a misfit and doesn't have destructive ability. Like, I don't even need the strongest spells of magic of Anos, like the magic eyes of chaotic or purple destruction, Egil Gulone Undergoro, which basically the first destroying magic he has, the 7 steps of Norba. I doesn't even need those. Like, only the soul that's already overkill and destroy. Like, what exactly? And you said erase? No, Goku cannot erase. People think, oh, we have a Kai. No, he basically mistake and doesn't really do the technique. He admit this. And also Hakai, it's never erased. I don't know where this is getting from, but Hakai, it's not erased existence. The only erased existence we have in Dragon Ball, it's Zeno, which, remind you, erased on the conceptual level, the lowest erased level in fiction, which is basically erased from very existence. So even this cannot do like anything to Anos. It doesn't really affect on him. And also, let's say somehow Goku can do a Kai. Let's say it somehow work. Okay, Anos just come back and Goku try a Kai again, and it doesn't really affect again. Why? Because abilities don't work twice on Anos. But it doesn't really happen. And I can explain much more. But yeah, this is basically the short explanation. Like, Goku cannot do anything against Anos. No one in Dragon Ball can do anything against Anos. And Anos' existence is just enough. Because, the difference between skills and everything. If you say Goku it's multiversal somehow and above, okay, Anos Anima, I can skill Anos Anima to outer versal, to high outer versal. Easy. And doesn't even wank. This is how broken the character and the character is, and everything into this. But it doesn't. Goku it's only galaxy level, and yeah.